guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to use Bluesky Social. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering here, how do you start using Bluesky? Well, in order for you to start using Bluesky here, you need to install the actual app. So you could go to Google Play Store here and basically look, or in this case, search for Bluesky and click on install. But since we've already installed Bluesky here, let's go and click on open. Now, the first thing that you want to do here with any other social platform out there, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure to create your account. So let's go and click on create account here. And from here, you have the option to enter your details. That includes your hosting provider here. So you can change your Bluesky Social, or you could use a custom one here if you want. Now you could enter your email, your password, and your birth date. Let's go ahead and provide all those details and proceed with the next page. Now, on the next page, you need to enter your handle. So let's go ahead and basically provide our handle here. So your handle is like your username that you'll be using on the platform itself. So let's go ahead and provide that. Now, on the next page, you need to complete the challenge just to prove that you're human. Let's go and click on I am human. And from here, you want to go and complete this. So in my case, I want to select the image. There you can see example image. So maybe I want to select this one as well, and click on next. And select the necessary images, click on next again, and I've just passed the test. So in this case, it will start processing our account creation here, and we now need to basically complete our profile. So in this case, you need to give your profile a face, so you could go ahead and basically edit a few things here. So go ahead and provide some details about your profile. So in here, you can add a photo if you want to, or you can create your own avatar if you want. But for now, let's go and click on continue. So what are your interests? So for example, I am into arts, animals, comedy, comics, and also into food. So let's go and click on continue. Next is you want to go ahead and proceed in this case. So let's go and click on let's go here to start using the actual app. Now, the thing with Bluesky here, this is quite similar. So if you're familiar with Twitter before, which is now known as X, well, in this case, Bluesky is actually quite similar to that. So at the very bottom here, you have the option to go to your homepage. You have the option to search for different topics, use keywords, search something here. You also have the option to see your messages. So if someone actually messages you, this is where you'll be able to see them. You also have your notifications. So for example, if someone actually liked, commented, or anything that happened to your account, this is where you'll be able to view them. Now, you could also click on your settings at the top right here to enable notification filters if you want to, and also view your account at the top left here. Now, if you click on the bottom right here, this is going to be your profile. Now, you can edit your profile, do other things like share or add to list option here. You can see your posts, replies, media, likes, feeds, and starter packs. So basically, it's quite similar to Twitter or X. Now, the thing here is the UI itself, or when you go to homepage here and view different topics, this is where things is kind of different. So first, as we have two options, we have discover and following. So if you go to discover, this actually allows you to discover other interests that you might want to start following. So for example, it's going to suggest different users that I might want to follow here that is based on the interest that I've selected before. Now, if you go to following, this is where you'll be able to see all the accounts that you followed into Bluesky and see their posts. So just say, for example, maybe I want to go to Nature's Compass here and I want to go ahead and visit their profile and I want to go ahead and follow them. Now, from here, let's go and click on follow, and as you can see, we're now following them. Now, you could also view their replies and media here, which is something really helpful if you want to filter their replies or media only. But yeah, let's go and go back here. And just to show you, so instead of just going to discover, let's go to following. And when we actually reload our page, so reloading it, you just need to drag it down from the very top here to reload your page. And as you can see, Nature's Compass is now appearing on our following feed, which is something really cool here. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and basically start browsing here. You could go and select their name. You can even like, for example, I want to go ahead and basically have like write a reply here. So by the way, before creating a post, you must first verify your account. So you could go and click on send confirmation here and just enter your confirmation code here. That will be sent to your email. So just to give you an idea here, let's go and exit that. Let's go to our email. And from here, you should be able to see email confirmation. Let's go and copy this one. Go back into Blue Sky, paste it in here, and click on confirm. And you should say success. Click on close. As you can see, we can now write our reply. Now you can add replies, like for example, you can add like photos, videos, or take a photo, or even add GIF. Now in this case, you can add like whatever you want. So the limit is going to be 300 characters. So yeah, you can just go ahead and just type in whatever you want here, and go ahead and just click on reply at the top right here to send that. But right now, let's go and discard this one. And yeah, so if you click on the arrow that points up at the bottom left here, this actually allows you to go to the very top, just in case. Like for example, it actually goes to the very top and also refreshes your page. Now, at the top right here, you have the option to view your My Feed. Like for example, if you want to go to Discover here, you have the option to change a few things like trending content from your personal network here. You should be able to see different posts. So going to go back, you also have the following. So this is a different way for you to access them. You have the popular with friends, mutuals, and different interests here. So you could go and click on edit here, your feed, and basically save whatever feed you want. So in this case, I don't have any feeds saved yet. So I'm just going to go back here. Now, from here at the top left, you have the option to access other options, like for example, your list, profile, your settings, your chats, or notifications. So, by the way, if you want to view your followers, you're going to go to your account here. You go and click on followers or your following to see who are the people or accounts that are currently following you right now. You can also go to posts if you want to, and yeah. So I'm just going to go back here. Now, if you go to settings here, you have the option to change your account settings, your privacy and security, moderation, content and media, appearance, accessibility, language. But yeah, so most of the settings or things that you could do here for your Blue Sky account is quite familiar because of the UI and how things are set up. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe, but see you in app. Thank you for watching.